Hello everybody and welcome. Today I was thinking, well, what can I do? You know what I mean? I wanted something that I fancied, but something that was cheap. So I went up Aldi's and I've seen this Japanese curry mix in a block, S&B golden curry, perfect for an authentic katsu curry, medium hot, proudly made in Japan. I can put my reading glasses on. You can see that. If you can't, if it's a bit blurred, I'll take a picture of it. So that's all the ingredients anyway. And there's the instructions. I have had a quick look. So I've already got my onions chopped up. 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 carton of this, obviously, a full carton. And 720 ml of water. And that's all you need. So you stir fry the onions with oil in a large saucepan on a medium heat, 5 minutes. Add water, bring to the boil, reduce the heat, cover and simmer until the ingredients are tender, approximately 15 minutes. Turn the heat off, it's gone blurred. Break this up, break the mixture up into pieces. Add to the saucepan. Stir until the curry is completely melted. Simmer for another approximate 5 minutes. Stir continuously. So, it's quite simple. Well, say quite simple. If you didn't see that last one I've done, that went all pear-shaped. So what I've done, I got that, because I got an onion there, and I got just some basmati rice, which I got in the cupboard anyway. And I bought some quick chicken sizzlers from Aldi. So I thought, well, I'll get some panko breadcrumbs and I'll mix it together and I'll do that. But Aldi don't do panko breadcrumbs. So I went to Tesco's, which is just across the road from Aldi where we live, to get some. They ain't got none. I completely ran out. So I thought, well, what am I going to do with the chicken? So then I went back to Aldi and I got these. 6 breaded chicken steaks. Yeah, it's breaded, it's not panko, is it? Well, these were £3.99p for 6. So I thought, well, we'll use them. I'll just do them in the air fryer and we can throw the curry on top. So something nice and cheap and simple. That was £2.49p. I've never used it before. So, but let me know what you want me to do with them. Chicken sizzlers. It's got a couple of days left on it, so it's got to be used in a couple of days. We'll see anyway. Or I just might have it with some salad or something one day, I'm not sure yet. So, first things first then, we'll get the onions fried up. Okay, got a large pan, put a little bit of oil in for the onions, get that heated up, nice and simple. Let me know if you've had them before. I don't think I've ever had them ones. 6 chicken breaded steaks, cooked in 25 minutes. Take about, what, 15 in the air fryer, I suppose. Okay, onions are going in, just to fry up for a couple of minutes. That's all, it's going to be nice and simple, this one, hopefully, anyway. Okay, onions are fried up for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to get the water in. 720 ml of water. I suppose you could have used hot water out of the kettle to make it quicker, couldn't you, but I've used cold. Put the lid on that for 15, well, bring to the boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. I'm going to get my water on for my rice. Okay, I was just looking at this curry block, and it says proudly made in Japan. And it also says, there it is, I don't know, can you see that? Imported by Empire Bespoke Foods in Middlesex. So it is imported anyway. I don't know if it is actually made in Japan or not, but that's what it says. Right, that's boiling now. I'm going to turn that down to simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, the water for the rice is boiled. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in. Pinch of salt. Get my rice in, just follow your packet instructions on your rice. Or even get one that done the other down over there. And rice cooker things. Microwave. I could have used that, but I've got my light plugged in over there, so I can't. Bring to the boil and simmer away on that, nice and easy. Okay, I've got the air fryer warming up, you can probably hear it. So let's have a quick look at these chickens then. 6 breaded chicken steaks, cooks in 25 minutes, but mine's doing in the air fryer. There's the ingredients if you want to have a look, nutrition and that. Let's have a look on the back, bigger value pack. I don't know if you can see it, whether it's blurred, come on, use up my eye, put my glasses on. Place on a baking tray, yeah, blah blah blah. There's the ingredients. And there's the nutrition. Just a shame really I couldn't get any panko. That'd have been nice with this katsu. Well, there they are, they're quite big. I mean, that katsu says it does 5 people. Well, I say you'd probably squeeze 6, I suppose. 1 chicken each, you'd probably get 6 portions, wouldn't you? Right, we're going to get them in the air fryer. I'll see how many I can get in. Might have to do 2 lots, I'm not sure. Yeah, I was also going to do as well, I haven't got around to doing it yet. I was going to do a fish finger katsu. I reckon that'd be quite nice. I'll get 5 in. I'll probably squeeze the 6 in actually. If I just keep turning them around, they'll be fine. Yeah, that'll be fine. Right, they're going to go in. I reckon about 15 minutes. Turn them halfway through or something. Now on to the curry. Right, that's been about 15 minutes there. Smells quite nice with them onions. Turn the heat off. Open this. Let's have a look what this looks like then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1 block then, isn't it? You just use the 1 block. Let's open it, hold on. Oh no, it's 1, hold on. I thought it was different blocks then. No, it's 1 full block. I thought it was 1 block, 1, 2, 3, but it's not, is it? It's just 1 block. So break it all up then. And get it in. Doesn't say how much to break it up. I don't suppose it really matters. Well, we'll find out, won't we? Get it all in there. It smells nice actually. It does smell nice. And stir until it's all melted. So we'll keep stirring away. I'm not sure how long it'll take. That didn't take long really, about 30 seconds to start doing that. I just turned the camera off and it's virtually done. I'm just going to change my thing for my spatula. Make sure I get around the sides and that. Right, now what does it say? Turn off the heat, break it in. Add them to the saucepan, yeah. Stir the curry completely melted, yeah. Stir for approximately 5 minutes. Stirring continuously. Should have put that chicken in a bit quicker, shouldn't I? It's not going to be ready yet. But yeah, that's looking nice, isn't it? The rice is looking nice. I've got to simmer it again for 5 minutes. So I just thicken it up that little bit more. Okay, that's done. Yeah, it didn't take long at all. I could have done with it a little bit thicker. Maybe I'll probably next time drop the water down to maybe 680 instead of 720 a bit. Maybe something like that. To get that a little bit thicker, but apart from that, that's okay. I'm just waiting on the chicken now. Everything else is done. So I'm going to turn that off. I can always warm it back through, can't I, at the end? Put the lid on it and put it off the ring for a minute. Okay guys, I think the chicken's done and it's looking really nice. Let me show you. It's hot. There's the chicken, look. That's 3 out at a time. I'm going to slice all them up. Nice little crunch. Shame about the panko, that's still hot. I'll cut all these up. Take me a couple of minutes. There they are, look if you can see them. Ah, that's hot, 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 hot. Right, there's the chicken. I've just done 3 for now. I say there's 3 left, so you would probably get 6, depending on the... Let's get some bowls. Depending on how much sauce you want, I suppose. Probably can't see that 3rd one, but that doesn't matter. It's all about the one, isn't it? As long as you can see the one. Let's get some rice out. Looking nice. That pan's okay. There's my rice, nice and fluffy. Let's get some of that on. So you can always pack them up with rice to make it more, can't you? I like quite a lot of rice, and the lad does, so he can have a bit more. I'm having a bit more rice. And that can have a bit more rice than all, why not, eh? There's that. We'll get some chicken on the side. Like so. You can't see the 3rd one. And the curry's still warm. And it smells delicious. I haven't tasted it yet. There it is, look. On there. Like so. Bit more on there. And some on there. So guys, there we go. What do we think? Let me clean it up first so I can get a thumbnail. Okay, that's already tucking in. What do you think, sweetheart?
It's really nice.
Is it nice? Let me show you. Closer look now. There's the chicken, there's the curry sauce and the rice. Yes? No?
It's nice.
Hmm?
It's lovely.
Yeah, nice. Let me try it then. I'm going to get straight into it. Never mind the rice. Let's get into this curry and this chicken. There's a chicken. That curry sauce is lovely, isn't it?
It's really nice. Right?
Really nice.
Which one's that one?
That's this one. Golden curry.
Never seen that one before.
It was up Aldi in the special buys.
It's really nice.
That is really nice.
Mm.
Shame we didn't have any panko breadcrumbs because I could have made my own. It'd been a nice sweet chicken then. Well, that chicken's okay, isn't it?
Mm. I don't mind that breaded chicken.
Mm.
Nice.
Mm. I'm well happy.
Done a good job there.
Mm.
I'm enjoying it.
I'm well happy with that. That's and it's budget friendly. I mean, that was what the chicken was £4 there for 6, and there's 3 left, and you would get 6 out of it at a squeeze. And that's £2.49. An onion and a bit of 50p rice. Get a 50, 60p kilogram rice, can't you, up Aldi? You know what I mean? So all in all, that'd do 6 here, or 1 every day for your tea. Wouldn't you? Does it work out? What about £7 for the lot? If you bought all the rice for 5.5, 6, and the onions, yeah, £7, and there's 6 here. £1.25 a portion. That's bang on, isn't it? I think that.
You could even take it to work for lunch.
Yeah, couldn't you? If you
over,
cooked
yeah.
it. I don't know how long it'd last in the fridge because of the chicken.
Night,
Yeah, for the next night, yeah.
For the next
Couldn't you?
day.
Better than buying frozen, isn't it, that? For £1.25 a portion, roughly, give or take a couple of p. You know what I mean? Yeah, so there we go. Katsu, chicken katsu, shame about the panko, as I keep saying, but never mind. You go by your means, don't you? What you can get, what you can't get, you adjust. It says medium hot. It's like normal, isn't it?
It's not hot. Yeah.
It's not hot,
it's not
is it?
Hot, no.
It's like a chip shop curry one, isn't it? Really, about that temperature, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to go and eat it. I'll go to the mark at the end because it's going a bit cold now. So, see you in a second. That was absolutely delicious. Weren't it, Bab? That had seconds on the sauce, didn't you?
Yeah.
So that's 4 sauces we've done, and there's still enough for another 2. So you would get 6 if you weren't too over, you know, over greedy. You know what I mean? If you didn't fill your bowl with a sauce and you done it like that,
yeah,
you'd get 6. Yeah, and that is delicious. I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. I think that is absolutely bang on. And I thought that chicken was okay as well. Yeah, for what it was, I think, yeah, that's getting a 10 out of 10 for me. I think that might be the best one we've done so far. I really do, don't you?
Yeah.
What would you mark? You're still eating that, because you're second, you get a 10 as well. That'd get a 10 as well. But yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? Really nice. Well, there we go. As I say, I am the old food guy. If you do like content like this, see me cooking, not a chef, just cook and see what happens. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye.
That was lovely.
Lovely. Really nice. Really nice. I don't know what you put in there. What would you have with it? Like, would you have prawn crackers with it? What would you have?
You could have prawn crackers.
I don't know what you'd have with it. What would you have?
You could have prawn crackers because it is like Chinese.
Yeah, well, it's, yeah. Yeah, you probably could have prawn crackers with it. I don't know. What would you have with it? Flatbread?
No.
No?
No.
I don't know. Anyway, see you later.